This is our 2015 65 plate Mini Cooper SD, so it's the 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine. It's finished in the volcanic orange. It's got the black bonnet stripes, it's got the optional LED headlamps, and it's got the full John Cooper Works body kit. It's also got the JCW cup spoke alloy wheel upgrade. Inside it has the optional piano black interior trim with red colour line. It has auto lights, John Cooper Works leather multifunction steering wheel with audio, telephone and cruise controls. It's covered just over 51,000 miles. And it's also got the full Media XL satellite navigation and mini connected. This model comes with the dual zone climate control, optional heated seats, USB and auxiliary input, the sport and green driving modes and the controller for the multimedia. It's also got the optional front center armrest and the optional punch leather interior. As you can see from these images, the car's exceptionally clean inside. There's no rips or tears, no signs of any smoking. The alloy wheels are all in fantastic condition. The boot is all very clean and tidy. Comes with the original parcel shelf. Comes with a roof spoiler, the darkened rear glass. Tyres are all good, they're around 7mm on the rear and approximately 5mm on the front. Piano black trim extends to the passenger side. It's got the anthracite roof lining. Comes with a black roof and mirror caps, clear indicator lenses. It's also just had new front brake pads as part of the used car check. It's also just been serviced by ourselves. Prior to that, it has a full mini service history. It has an MOT which runs through until October 2020 with no advisories. If you click on the link at the end of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website where you'll find finance calculators. You can see the service records here, all done with Mini, plus a service that's just been carried out by us. Brake fluid is due August 2020, the engine oil service in October 21, and the vehicle check service also October 21.